Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some fruit baskets ideas. Building fruit baskets, homemade gifts is very elegant and beautiful. Fruit baskets have fallen out of fashion and I am here to bring them back. They make a lovely gift for friends, neighbors, or co-workers because they are naturally gluten-free, dairy-free, paleo and vegans. They can be enjoyed by most people on special diets. You can use lots of different containers for the basket, a nice bowl, decorative box or basket all work well. If the container is a little too big, you can use some cuboid crumpled tissue paper to fill the bottom and then add the fruit on top of the tissue paper. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. I like to add a pineapple because they add some height to the fruit basket. I like to get a pineapple that is not quite required ripe. To tell if a pineapple is ripe, gently tug at a leaf. It comes out freely and easily. The pineapple is ripe. If it doesn't come or takes effort to pull out, the pineapple is not ripe. To ripen, these are very good for health. And watermelon is also, you can decorate this, cut it between, and oranges and lot of fruits you can add in a basket. And now fruit baskets are very flexible. You can variety add of different fruits. It's good to vary color, size, shape and texture. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.